Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Windows 10 random black screen issue. So guys, if you are facing this problem, so to resolve this issue, click on start, then type device manager. Open device manager. Now expand monitor, then update your display driver. So right click on it, then click on update driver. Click on first option, search automatically for drivers, and close it and restart your PC. If this method is not work, so again right click on it, then click on update driver. Now select browse my computer for drivers. Let me pick a list of available drivers, then click on next, close it and restart. Now click on start, type power options, click on edit power plan. Now click on change advanced power settings. Now click on PCI Express, then click on link stat power management. On battery, select off, plugged in, select off, then click on apply, then OK. And also last thing you can try, if you are using any third-party antivirus software, so disable it when you don't need. So that's it guys. By these simple and easy steps we can know how to fix Windows 10 random black screen. Thanks for watching this video.